Good morning students. Today we discuss about the solar system. Today we discuss about the solar system. The earth does not have its own heat and light. The earth does not have its own heat and light. The sun is the closest star to the earth. Okay, the sun is the closest star, okay, to the earth. Okay, the sun is the closest star to the earth. So the earth receive light and heat from the sun. Okay, earth receive light and heat from the sun. And not only the earth but also 7 other planets. How many planets? There are 8 planets. There are 8 planets and other 7 planets and are moving around the sun. Moving around the sun. The sun 8 planets, satellites and some other celestial bodies. Some other celestial bodies and known as asteroid, meteoroid from the solar system. From the solar system. The east and the a solar family with the sun as its a head. Okay, it's a head. And next one topic, the sun. Next one topic, the sun. The sun is the close and center of the solar system. The sun is the center of the solar system. It is a huge and made up of and extremely hot gases. Hot gases. Okay, hot gases. It is the made up of hot gases and it provides the pulling forces bends the solar system and each member of the solar system revolves around the sun. Each member of the solar system and revolves to the sun and the sun is the ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system. The sun is ultimate source of the heat and light for the solar system. The surface of temperature of the sun is around 6,000 Celsius degrees. 6,000 Celsius degrees. The surface temperature 6,000 Celsius degrees. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth. Okay, the sun is 150 million kilometers 150 million kilometers away from the earth. And next one topic, the planets. The planets. Okay. There are 8 planets in our solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system. According to their distance from the sun and order, planets are very and Mercury, Venus, Mercury, Venus. Okay, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, okay, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, okay, Saturn and Uranus, Neptune. Uranus and other planet Neptune and other 8 one How many planets? There are 8 planets. And first one Mercury, second one Venus, third one Earth, fourth one Mars, fifth one Jupiter, sixth one Saturn, seventh one Uranus, eighth one Neptune. Okay, there are 8 planets. Okay, there are 8 planets. And all the 8 planets of the solar system move around the sun. Okay, all the 8 planets move around the sun. And sun is fixed path. Sun is fixed path. Sun is fixed path and 8 planets around the sun. Okay, 8 planets around the sun. And these paths are elongated. They are called the orbits. They are called the orbits. Okay, they are called the orbits. And the 4 planets near the sun are called the inner planets. There are 4 planets called the inner planets. Those are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars nearest the sun. Okay, there are 4 planets, inner planets. What are they? There are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Okay, Earth, Mars. There are the inner planets, the nearest planets. The nearest planets. The 4 planets, nearest planets. And the 4 planets are called outer planets. And other 4 planets are called outer planets. Outer planets. Those are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay. 2 types of planets and first one 4 nearest planets, inner planets and the 4 planets, outer planets. Okay, there are 8 planets. Okay, now inner planets are called Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Outer planets Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, and they are large and made up of gas or liquids. Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun. Mercury is the nearest planet. Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun. And Venus is the considered as twins because its size and shape are the very much similar to the Earth. Okay, and Jupiter is the biggest and Mercury is the smallest planet. Okay, Jupiter is the biggest. Jupiter is the biggest. Mercury is the smallest. Mercury is the smallest planets. Okay.